Hi everyone. This week we don't have any lab exercise. Instead, you will have two programming assignment. They will be a little smaller scale. So then we do two different parts. So let's talk about assignment 8, part 1 first. So for this assignment, you will practice how to using the abstract class. So this assignment, we will continue from our account class. But this time, we will make our account class become an superclass and abstract class. So you can think about when you go to the bank, you tell them you want to open an account. So actually the teller will tell you which account you want to open. You want to open a saving account, checking account, or CD account. So that's why here, when we do our account class, this class actually should be an abstract superclass. Because when you need to open a real bank account, we need to have a more detailed information. So that's why here you will see the update UML diagram. The account class, we're using the italic to show this one actually means the abstract class in the UML diagram. So in our account class, we still have ID, we still have balance, we still have our annual interest rate and the day created. And you have default constructor, and also your constructor can have the ID and your balance. But here we make all our constructor become protected. And also here, one more thing, everything you have before from your account class, all the getter function and setter function, you still have that. But here I only show you what you need to make the change. Like before, your constructor, they are public. But now our account class become an abstract class. So all the constructor, they should be a protected modifier to use that. So we can allow only the child class can invoke the constructor from the superclass. And also the other method I want you to change become protected is the set balance. Set balance setter function before, we shouldn't make that become public. Because if you make that become public, that means anyone can access that. So here we make the set balance. Supposedly it should be private. However, when you have your saving account and checking account, supposedly when they open that, they should be able to change the balance. So that's why here we make our set balance become a protected access. So that's our new account class. And this account class become an abstract class. So in this assignment, you also need to create another two child class. We call saving account and checking account. For the saving account, you will inherit it from your account class. And also you have couple private data attribute you need to add. So the first one, we have the minimum balance and the maximum withdrawal. So you can see here, I make these two attributes are static. Because for all the saving account, we need them to maintain minimum balance for 300. And also every month, they only can withdraw 3 times. So that's why here the maximum withdrawal is set equal to 3. Minimum balance equal to 300. So they are static. And also you have another private attribute. So that's so far how many times you do the withdrawal. So on the other hand, your withdrawal method, you need to add the change before the user can do the withdrawal. So you see here, withdrawal method actually before we already override that. You inherited from your account class. So this withdrawal method actually you need to change is you need to make this one. You need to make this one become an, you need to override that. Because when the user, when the saving account want to withdraw some money, they need to check after the withdrawal, will this account still maintain the minimum balance? If not, you should tell the user you cannot withdraw. And also after each successfully withdraw, you need to decrement your number of withdrawal. Okay, so that's why here is our constructor. Your saving account, you can have the constructor. You can have the default constructor, but here I only have the constructor for the ID and the balance. So you have get minima balance and the get maxima withdraw. They are all static method. So here you have get number withdraw and the set number of withdraw. So this one I didn't have your set minima balance and the set maxima withdraw because we just make them cannot be changed. So then make sure you will overwrite the withdraw method. So the toString method, the same thing I want you to overwrite. So that's why you can see the sample output, what information saving account should be displayed. Another child class is the checking account. So the checking account actually don't have any minima balance need to maintain. So here actually I do have the minima balance, but now here the minima balance just 0. And also you don't have the maxima withdraw you need to maintain. Checking account you can withdraw as many times as you want. Okay, so here we just make the minima balance equal to 0. Again, the same thing. Even now it's 0, right? But you still need to try to override this withdraw method. So before you can do the withdraw, you need to check the balance. So to allow the user to do the withdraw or not. And here we have another one is get monthly interest rate. So the saving account, your monthly interest rate or annual interest rate, you don't need to change. Because saving account, the annual interest rate is equal to the annual interest rate from account. But checking account, you don't have any interest rate. So here the interest rate, please overwrite to make that equal to 0. Okay, so here I will only explain what's in the UML diagram. So the detail, please read the description in the assignment. So in your test driver, please create an account array list. So here we say, even you have the abstract class, you still can be the data type. So I want you to create 2 saving account object and 1 checking account object. So they need to withdraw 300 from each account 5 times. So that's why in the sample output, you will see if the saving account tries to withdraw more than 3 times, you should display the error message to the user, say you cannot do that. And also if they cannot maintain the minimum balance, you also need to display to the user. So you can refer to the sample output here. So that's your homework assignment 8, part 1.